got today. Let's take her for a drive, see what she's got. Ooh. So we got a Burger Motorsports intake. I don't know what else I can see down here. I can see the downpipe and shit. I don't really know too much about Beamers, but this car's a lot of fun. It's got all kind of little stuff done to it. He's got a carbon fiber lip. Well, he's got a carbon fiber deck lid, carbon fiber diffuser. I don't know if this is the stock exhaust or aftermarket. Yeah, it looks stock. So, stock exhaust. And it's got some minor mods to it, but it's definitely a fun car to drive. It's like crazy fun. This car does have auto start stop, but I turned it off because who cares about gas mileage when you're having fun? Okay, so let's talk about the interior, because I am a big motherfucker. For a small car, it's actually pretty nice inside. I like how the bolsters hold me in. They're not like tight. I sat in a GT350 seat and it was really tight and I didn't like it. This one is like pretty comfortable. Like I can sit in this, go on a long drive. It's very comfortable. As far as the back seats, I don't think anybody can fit behind me. So it's basically a 3-seater once I'm driving it. Headroom, as you can see, it's decent. It has a sloping roof, so it looks sexy, but it doesn't compromise the headroom too much, and it has a sunroof, so that's pretty cool. I haven't closed this sunroof since I got in the car, so yeah. Let's take this baby for a drive. Listen to the spool. Honestly, I think this is like the most fun car I've ever driven. I haven't driven much fun cars, so that doesn't really mean much, but still, it's like the most fun car I've ever driven. This is all I want to do when I drive this car, is just touch the accelerator and get that little blow off sound. Another thing too, this car is just a neck breaker. It just
Like when you get into boost a little bit and it blows off, everyone turns around to see what's making that noise. Now, a lot of people don't like this shifter, but I think it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Hit the P, it's in park. I don't have to worry about anything. That's it. And when you get out to lock it, you just gotta look back because it's so sexy. Love you, baby.
I'll do a little acceleration, let you guys hear what's going on. This car is like, the perfect, it's the perfect daily driver because it's like quiet, rides good, it's smooth, and it makes all these cool noises. So the guy that I rented it from, his name escapes me right now, but your car is awesome, and I really appreciate you letting me drive it. This is the only way car enthusiasts should rent cars. Never get a boring rental again. Never. Because if you're in Orlando, definitely check this guy's car out. It's a 2014 BMW 435, and it has a little bit of mods to it. I don't know if you guys can hear the blow-up valve and the turbos spooling up, but it is a whole lot of fun. Getting some KA band. That's usually a cop. This car, it is probably not as fast as my Mustang, but it's a whole lot more fun, and that's the important thing. Who wants to drive a car that's fast that's not fun? You know, you get the downshift, you get these burbles. I don't know if you can hear them. You get these like little crackles and pops. Get the little blow-off valve sound. This car is just, it's perfect because I am a boy racer 100%, and I love boy racer sounds. I love hearing that blow-up valve. That, boy, love it. So I'm supposed to be getting a C63, so I'm going to compare the two. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe. It's coming soon. Visibility is great. I can see everything. I can see literally everything. I don't have any problems. Keep in mind I am pretty tall. I'm 6'5", so sometimes I have to put the seat. Sometimes I have to put the seat back so far that it kind of like makes it weird for me to see out of the car, because like I put it back so far that I'm looking, when I look over my shoulder, I see the pillar and I don't actually see what I want to see. So this car is pretty good. Let's take a quick look at this steering wheel here. Steering wheel is amazing. I love the steering wheel. It feels good quality, nice and thick. Like the little M badge right here. Nice, good quality stuff. Let's take a quick look at the interior here. You know, typical BMW stuff. This iDrive system is like kind of weird, but I figured it out.
doesn't take long. Just got to use your brain, which a lot of people don't do. So, yeah, just use your brain and
In 2.9 miles,
you'll figure it out.
turn right on a
So I'm taking the car back, unfortunately. Final thoughts on it? I love this fucking car. I wish it was my daily. The guy that owns this, he actually owns an i8 as well, and I can see he has a good taste in cars. I don't know if he daily drives the i8 or this, but I love this car. Now, off to being a BMW douche. Later. Man, this car makes a whole lot of torque down low. It's just throws you in your seat. Merging onto the highway is like no problem for this car. It just gets up and goes. Man, I love this thing. The paddles are pretty responsive too. I like the paddles a lot. These paddles are so much fun. When in traffic while driving, the auto start stop is pretty seamless. Like, it'll stop and turn off. It's like, you'll notice it turns off, but it's very smooth. So the car's off right now, and when it's stopped in traffic, it'll be on ready. And as soon as I take my foot off the brake, it'll start back up. So right now, I'm not burning any gas. Take my foot off the brake, it starts right back up. Real quiet. Even though this car has like downpipes and no cats, it's still pretty quiet. So, neat feature. I like it. What's up, bitches?